Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video we will be learning how you can sign into your existing CoinGecko account using the CoinGecko application on your mobile device. So in order to do that, first of all, download and open up the CoinGecko app on your device, and once you're inside the Market tab, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. You'll then see two different options at the top that says Sign Up and Login. If you don't have an account yet for CoinGecko, tap on Sign Up and follow through the registration process. If you want to log in and access the existing account, tap on the Login button at the top right. Now, go ahead and select the login method you'd like to use in order to sign in. You can go ahead and tap on Continue with Google, Apple, or with email. Just make sure that you choose the same option that you chose while signing up or registering for CoinGecko. After choosing one of the options, to log into your CoinGecko account with email, tap Continue with Email and enter your email address that is associated with your CoinGecko account. Once you do that, click on Continue with Email. And on the next page, go ahead and enter your password for your CoinGecko account. If you don't remember your password, you can get help by tapping Forgot Password link above the password text box and follow through the password reset process. After typing down your password correctly, tap Login and you'll then be able to log into your CoinGecko account. So that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.